Meager secondary lounges are the run in minimal autos. However, the Ford Focus has great front seats and hatchback adaptability. When in doubt, conservative autos do not have the inside space, and particularly the rearward sitting arrangement's space to perform well on our Solace and Quality file. The Focus is the same. Vehicles toll better. Yet both the four-entryways and hatchbacks surrender space for sensational styling. Both have a dated inside that won't change until the point when the Focus is supplanted in the 2019 model year with a Chinese-fabricated model. We rate the Focus a 5 here, giving it a point for shapely front seats, deducting it for raised situate room. The Focus has a profoundly etched dash that trims out a portion of the space around its front seats. It's still conveniently open for most grown-ups, and the seats themselves offer great help in base variants. Center titanium autos have better frame game seats, with additional back help and under-leg padding. The Focus RS and Saint get limiting game seats that work superbly in hard-charging moves. However, their amazingly cozy fit and absence of changes in respect to the base seats mean they're not as agreeable in day-by-day driving. The secondary lounges on the two models feel more prohibitive than in other conservative autos. In the Focus's class, Elantra, Civic, the rearward sitting arrangement's difficult to get into on account of a low roof line and little entryway openings. Neon headroom or lean, notwithstanding for littler grown-ups. The hatchback has the reward of more usable space behind the seats, so we lean toward it over the four-entryway shape. The Focus's inside looks dated, and it's wrapped in a lot of hard dark plastic. Models we've tried as of late haven't bragged the finest fit and complete, either. Street commotion is run-of-the-mill for this kind of auto, and the Focus has more than its offer of tire clamor produced by coarse asphalt.